Google just dropped a bombshell for AI lovers. Its biggest Gemini update, packed with features that can make your digital assistant feel smarter than ever. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the latest tech news. Google's latest Gemini Drop is turning the Gemini app into an all-in-one creative powerhouse. In a bold new update, the tech giant has gifted its AI with slick new tools for creators, students, and even binge watchers. First of all, Gemini Canvas is about to be every procrastinator's dream. Just type in a topic or upload a file, and boom, Gemini instantly whips up polished presentations complete with themed slides, visuals, and layouts ready to export. Say goodbye to all-nighters. Then there's Gemini Flash 2.5, which now delivers step-by-step guidance for complex problems, sharper insights for deep topics, and smarter image understanding to help decode notes, diagrams, and equations. And if math makes your head spin, Google's new latex upgrade means the AI can now handle even the trickiest equations like a pro. But the updates don't stop there. The upgraded VEO 3.1 brings Hollywood-level fun to AI video creation. It brings textures, smoother camera moves, natural dialogue, and even built-in sound effects. Whether you're a content creator or just love to experiment, Gemini's got your back. And lastly, Gemini for Google TV now transforms your AI into a chatty voice assistant. Ask it what to watch and it'll fire back with personalized recommendations in real time. From presentations to TV picks, Google's Gemini update isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-blown AI glow-up. What are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates.